But foreign currency valuation. Foreign currency valuation. So the first one, check exchange rate types. Okay, we have to check exchange types. M average, P planning, B selling rate. Okay, this configuration also done in enterprise structure also. Okay, SPRO, it's above activity. Okay, in real time it is a above activity, above platform, general settings, currencies, check exchange rate types. In currencies, this one, check exchange rate types. So the first one, M, we are using this one, M standard exchange rate, standard translation rate, average rate. Okay, inverse, enable stick box, already enabled. Next we need to check B. So B means standard translation rate, bank selling. Okay, so don't check the already removed. Okay, next P. So P is standard translation for fast planning. So enable this checkbox, already enabled. Okay, settings are accurate. Okay, next define translation ratios for foreign currency valuation. Define translation ratios for foreign currency translation. T code OBBS. The path is same. SPRO, above platform, general settings, currencies. Okay, in currencies, define translation ratios for currency translation. Yes. So take new entries. Exchange rate. Use M. That means standard translation at average rate from USD to INR. Okay, valid from today. That means 10th March. Ratio 1:1. Okay, next also M. Now GBP to INR. Next same date 1:1. Next M. Euro. Euro to INR. From today 1:1. Okay, next SGD. Okay, Singapore dollar to INR. From today 1:1. Okay, so exchange rates. So these are the translation ratios. Okay, save. Next, so check exchange rate types. Completed. Define translation ratios also completed. Next, enter exchange rates OP08. Enter exchange rates. So the path is same. SPRO above platform. In above platform, general settings and currencies. Enter exchange rates. So this one, enter exchange rates. Okay. APM. Okay. Filter exchange rate M. From currency USD to currency INR, valid from today. So there is no today date. So from 6th March only we are updating now. Okay. Exchange rate M. Today 10th March. So from USD to, so what is direct quote amount we can give 75. Okay. To INR. Next, we can give from 8th. Okay. USD you can give 85. Okay. So $1 equal to 75 rupees. Direct quote means our company code currency. Okay. Converting to our company code currency is the direct quote. Okay. Save. So up to now we have configured check exchange rate types, define translation ratios for foreign currency translation, and exchange rates we have entered. Now we will create loan account, realized gain account, realized loss account, foreign currency clearing account. Okay. The T code FS00. Okay. So loan account, it's a liability. 1,20,000. Okay. It's a balance sheet account. Secure loans. Account group. Secure loans. Short text. Loan account. Control data. So account currency INR. So loan account is a open data management account. Sort key 001. Create bank or interest. G001. Save. Next, realized gain account. Like 20,000. So it's also a Realized gain is a non-operating expenses or income. Okay, so it's other income. Realized gain. So realized gain. So INR short key 001 G001. So it's a post automatically only. Okay, post automatically. Next, realized loss. So realized loss. So realized loss also non-operating expenses or income. So account to group indirect expenses. Realized loss account. And control data INR short key trade banker interest G001 post automatically only. Okay. Next, foreign currency clearing account. So foreign currency clearing account. So foreign currency clearing account is a balance sheet account. It's a current liabilities. INR short key trade banker interest D001. Okay. Next, these are the GL accounts. Okay. Automatic postings for foreign currency valuation. Okay. Prepare automatic postings for foreign currency valuation. So the T code is OBA1. T code OBA1. So we can configure in two ways. One is without open item GLs. Another one is with open item GLs. Okay. The first one without open item GLs. Do you remember with our open item GLs? What are the open item GLs? In FS 00, in FS 00, so we have one loan account, secured loans. Okay. In control data tab, control data tab, trade bank interest. So the loan account enabled as open item management here. Okay. So that means it is, so this setting open item GL account with open item GL. So this setting is related to this type of GLs which are enabled as open item management. Okay. So the first one, exchange rate difference using exchange rate key. Okay. Exchange rate difference using exchange rate key. Now we will configure this one. SPRO. So SAP reference IMG, financial accounting, general ledger accounting, periodic processing. So in that, valuate, foreign currency valuation, prepare automatic postings for currency valuation. Okay, prepare automatic postings for foreign currency valuation. So here we have KDB, exchange rate difference using exchange rate key. Okay, so exchange rate difference using exchange rate key KDB. So KDB used for without open item GL. Okay, double click transaction key. What is transaction key? KDB. Exchange rate difference using exchange rate key KDB. So give out chart of accounts. So exchange rate difference key. So what is our exchange rate difference key? JK EK. JK EK. We will give JK exchange rate difference key. Okay. So now we will give expense account. Okay. So what is your expense account? So realize loss. Okay. Here we will give realized loss. So this is for realized gain. So where is realized gain? So this one, 3 lakh. Okay. 3 lakh 20,001 is the for realized gain. So save the setting. So do you remember here you're configuring JKEK exchange rate difference key. Okay, this is the exchange rate difference key. So here giving realized loss and realized gain account. Okay, save. Next, exchange rate difference for open item GLs. Okay, for open item GLs. So what is for open item GLs? KDF. So exchange rate difference for open item GL account KDF. Double click. So here create new entries. Okay, chart of accounts, GL account. So now we need to configure for each GL. So what is your present GL? So loan account. Okay, this is open item GL account. Next, loss. So loss means realized loss. Next, gain, realized gain. So this one realized gain account. They given realized loss and realized gain. So valuation loss. That means it is unrealized. For this also, we can give this one. In real time, as per client requirement, we may give other GLs. That means unrealized loss and gains also. Okay. Now we are giving same GL numbers. So next, balance sheet adjustment account. What is balance sheet adjustment account? So this one. So foreign currency clearing account. So this is the adjustment account. FC clearing account. Okay. We can save now. So this is for open item GLs. So GL account, we have taken GL account number. Okay. And we have given exchange rate differences realized loss GL, gain GL. So here also we are taking same GLs for loss and gain. So balance sheet adjustment foreign currency clearing account. Okay. Save. data was saved. So these two settings completed. Next, define valuation method. Decode OB59. So in evaluate, define valuation method. In evaluate, define valuation method. You know the path: financial accounting, GL accounting, periodic processing, evaluate, define valuation methods. So in that we can create new entries. We can name as JK valuation method, JKVM. Okay, JK valuation method. Okay, so always evaluate. So here we give exchange rate determination. So always we will give M standard translation at average rate. So for debit balance and credit balance also we taken M standard translation rate at average rate. Enter. Next, time dependent attributes. Now we will take time dependent attributes. Here we will take new entries. So financial years start from. So we will start first April 2025. Okay. So time unit we will give months. Okay. So description JK valuation method. Okay. Exchange rate determination. What is exchange rate determination? M. That means standard translation at average rate. So credit balance also standard translation at average rate. Okay. Save. Okay. So this is the valuation method. The next one, define valuation area. So define valuation area. So the path is same. Here define valuation areas. We will take new entries. Valuation area JV. Okay. Valuation method. What is our valuation method? Previously created JK VM. That means JK valuation method. So currency type. So we will take company code currency. Okay. Long text JK valuation area. Okay. So this is valuation area creation. Next we will do assign valuation area and accounting principle. Okay. So the path is SPRO, financial accounting, GL accounting, periodic processing. In that evaluate. So assign valuation area and accounting principles. This one. Okay. New entries. So what is our valuation area? JV. Our valuation area. What is your accounting principle? Do you remember? JK local gap. Okay. Next. So this one completed. Next, assign exchange rate difference key in loan account. So we need to assign exchange rate difference key in loan account. So loan account. What is the T code? FS00. So where we have loan account, secured loans, loan account. change data, this pen icon. Okay, control data tab. So here exchange rate difference key. So what is our exchange rate difference key? Do you remember? JK EK. Okay, so this is our exchange rate difference key. Save.